Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Today I am going to explain dedicated WordPress hosting, fully managed. When creating a WordPress website of any size, there are many decisions you are required to make. Aside from design and development, you will have to consider many variables related to web hosting. Without strategic planning, you may choose an option that could negatively impact your site's performance. A dedicated service is one solution that offers many benefits, especially from high traffic websites. Its reliability makes it one of the more secure WordPress hosting options, and its flexibility enables you to scale your online presence as needed. In this post, we will discuss dedicated WordPress hosting and all it has to offer. We will also compare it to other popular options such as shared, virtual private server, and cloud hosting. Let's get started. Tip: what is fully managed dedicated WordPress hosting? In simple terms, dedicated WordPress hosting is a plan that provides the use of an entire server just for your site. This differs significantly from shared VPS hosting, both of which involve the storage of multiple sites in one computer. A dedicated server is common among enterprise-grade websites, including corporations and e-commerce storefronts. This is directly related to the benefits that this solution provides, as these websites require a higher level of security, reliability, and flexibility to take payments and handle large volumes of traffic. Benefits and comparison of dedicated versus shared WordPress hosting. As we mentioned, dedicated WordPress hosting offers many benefits that can justify the expensive price tag usually associated with this type of plan. Even though it's higher tier option, it can be well worth the investment. Fully dedicated WordPress hosting provides the most reliable service and the greatest amount of uptime. This is crucial for all websites, but even more so for high traffic ones. Typically, these websites require more resources than a shared server can provide. Perhaps most importantly, a dedicated hosting environment ensures top-notch security. Consider how a shared plan cloud expose your website to unavoidable threats, some of which may come from other sites. Having your own server means you know exactly how it's set up, so you can act in your best interest and protect your online content fully. When combined, it's easy to see why so many business owners trust dedicated WordPress hosting. However, it always wise to consider other options. Let's take a look at how a solution compares to three other popular plans: shared VPS and cloud hosting. Dedicated versus shared WordPress hosting. The major difference between dedicated and shared hosting is the number of websites stored on one server. With shared hosting, the server is split between multiple customers, usually with minimal to no configuration options. Dedicated hosting means you have your own server and full access to its resources. Considering this difference, it makes sense that dedicated hosting is more flexible. On shared server, you are competing for storage space, memory, and power with other customers. It's harder to scale your resources to accommodate high website traffic and ensure your site is performing at its best. Additionally, with dedicated WordPress hosting, your own site security is not dependent on whether other websites on your server are protected. Instead, you have total control, so you can better prevent attacks and data loss. Automatically managed updates. One of primary benefits of dedicated WordPress hosting is managed updates. While it's true that WordPress offers automated updates for both the core platform and plugins, blindly updating a site is not always the best idea. Sometimes new variants come with bugs or compatibility issues that may cause problems. For this reason, many site owners disable automatic updates entirely, but that carries risk of its own since update often fix security flaws. Managed WordPress dedicated hosting with updates ensures that you get the best of both worlds. Your site is kept secure automatically, but the updates are vetted first to ensure that they won't introduce any new problem. Dedicated versus VPS hosting. While similar to shared plan, VPS hosting is more secure option. Your site does reside on a server with others, but it's more flexible due to fact that your resources are granted through the use of virtual deviance. However, compared with VPS plans, dedicated WordPress hosting takes security and flexibility one step further. While virtual deviance do help separate your site from other customers' websites on dedicated servers are more isolated, where you may face resources limitations. With the former option, the latter enables you to truly have access to exactly what you need. Security is another factor to consider, and arguably the most important. VPS hosting certainly offers protection beyond a shared hosting configuration, but not above that of dedicated WordPress hosting. You can truly lock down your personal server to ensure a safe experience. This is why it's recommended for e-commerce sites that handle credit and data. So for watching my more videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.